Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Shiitake mushrooms in this new video they uploaded yesterday. Kid temper tantrum pulls fire alarm during school. Suspended. New video. I'm sure a lot of people here have already seen it, but I'm going to react to it anyway. And sorry for not making any other videos yesterday after... I'm sorry for not making any other reaction videos yesterday. Yesterday, everybody, I'm still trying to get over this cold I have. My throat started hurting me real bad. Like, really, really bad. But I'm still trying to get over this cold, though. Anyway, I'm going to do this reaction video. If any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hi guys, I'm just enjoying the nicer day. The sun's out, the snow's melting, and the bus is here. The kids are coming home. Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't stand on YouTube!
God, control your kid. Dude, get out of my face.
Dude, you just need to deal with it, okay?
That was funny. They changed it from... On here, they covered up the word kid with the word teen. Now he's teen temper tantrum. That's what I just found it funny. They covered up the word kid with the word teen. I just found that funny. Sorry about that, everybody. I'm sorry, everybody. I wasn't laughing to be mean nor rude. I wasn't trying to be mean nor rude, and I wasn't laughing to be mean at all. I was laughing because I found it funny, that's all. And I was just being honest. That's it. That's all. I swear that's it. That's all. Hold on. Sorry, had to... I'll be right back. I gotta blow my nose. I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Sorry about that, everybody. I'm back now. Let's get back to the video.
What are you doing? Watch out, you're hitting stuff. Alright, let's try this again. Please help me. Is my feet uncle?
I guess they are.
You better not have broken my, I don't even know what the hell those things are called. Seed spreader, salt dispenser, I don't know. You hit my, I don't even know what those things are called. What are those called?
The seed spreader?
Seed spreader, yeah. She went straight at it, the silly cow.
Sorry, I had to crack my neck. Sorry, everyone.
I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna put you up a wall! I'm gonna shoot you! Done. I'm not done. I said I'm done. I said done. You idiot! I said done! You just stop it! You stop! I'm just trying to cook y'all as a Zorro pizza. Y'all can't even be quiet for crying out loud. I'm trying to go crazy.
Let's see how the pizza looks. Alright guys, I'm trying to cook this pizza. Everyone's just crazy right now. Gotta wait to get out of my face! Alright. Welcome back to another crazy video here. We're talking mushrooms. Carol has a headache. Yeah, sleep well. Don't eat a basketball.
Why not? I love basketball. It's my favorite sport.
This pizza's taking forever to cook. I want it now!
Shut up! I want to be rich now. Or any. Ever. Where's Al? I want to see those just like our book that get what we want.
Out of my face! Alright, let's clear this table. No, stop. Just clear the table.
Don't do it. It's on the floor now.
Oh.
Rick off sweating. Rick off sweating.
Just put it in the trash, not on the floor.
I put it in the channel.
What's going on now? Hey, stop! What do you need now? What's the matter? You got food, you got water. Oh, you got food, you got water. Good. What do you got now? What's on my fault? You make a mess, but you have food, and you have water. See, look at that water. Yeah. Alright, Leanna. Are you in here?
No,
Bedtime.
never.
It's a school night. Go to bed. I don't care.
I'm gonna beat up
Not,
my bus
you don't have another week of this crap. Seriously. Go to school.
Man, I hate waking up at this time, dude. The sun's barely coming out. I'm not excited for today. I hate school, and also, I have a test today in one of my classes after lunch. So that's not going to be fun, and I'm not going to enjoy it. Maybe I can pull the fire alarm. That's a good idea.
Trying to get Leland to go to school. He just left. Think he's better be at the bottom of the hill, waiting for the bus.
Oh boy.
Oh, he's been complaining, guys. He's been complaining all weekend about some kind of a test that he has to take. But you know what? That's part of going to school. Whatever, I'm going back inside. It's cold. Leon!
Sorry, I was trying to crack my neck again. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
Your time to get ready for school!
Excuse me. Sorry, I burped. I didn't mean for that to happen. Sorry about that. Sorry.
I'm gonna come down in the basement to grab potatoes. Decorations. Jeez. Forgot about those things. Why I stuck them in the cold storage.
Sorry, but that was funny. I remembered there was something in that part of the basement, but he forgot about them. That was funny. I'm sorry to laugh about that, everybody. I just found it funny. He got scared. I wasn't laughing to be mean. I was just laughing because I found it funny. That's all. I swear that's all. Sorry about that, everybody. I'm sorry. I really am. Let's get back to the video.
I had a heart attack down there. Here are the potatoes and a random steak that I found that has nothing to do with the potatoes. Those Halloween decorations scared the crap out of me.
Yeah, they're scary. They're like these monsters down there.
Alright. Just send the kids off to school. Now we're gonna go run some errands. Got nothing? Alright. Got a lot going on today. It's a nice day today, but the air is getting a little dirty, it looks like. for distance. So what all do we have going on today?
We got school for the kids.
Okay, we sent them off.
Yeah. And then I've got groceries
Okay.
in the bank.
The bank.
Yeah.
Just running some errands.
Just running
And
errands.
we're gonna drop her off at school.
Yeah.
And probably should check the fan mail, see if we have any more Christmas cards.
Okay. We'll run up there.
Hello, everyone. So, I'm at my school right now. So we have a test today. I don't really want to do it. So I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Hopefully I can get away with it. But then I have to run away as soon as I pull it. Hopefully I can outrun them this time. Alright? Let's do this. I'm gonna get out this test.
Alright guys, so here's a random question as I'm sitting here in the van. It got me thinking, what is up with the alphabet? So, we sing the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then when we get to L, we seem to go through them really quick. L, M, N, O, P. And then we slow down again. Q, R, S. Like Lee. Okay, so my name Lee, that's in the letter L. I feel kind of gypped because we just go through those letters really fast. So, L, M, N, O, P. Like even my last name gets gypped too. So all these letters kind of get gypped. You got A, B, C, D, and we say them normally. They get their time in the spotlight. But then when we get to K, it's like, okay, we got to hurry and get through this song, elemental P, and then we slow down again. Q, R, S. Like, we're getting gypped. For those who have those letters, L, M, N, O, P, we're getting gypped in the alphabet song because it's like, oh, we got to help. Like, these letters are not important. Like, we have to just hurry and go through them, L, M, N, O, P. It makes me mad, guys. It's just things I'm thinking about right now.
What about how much?
Hers is a C.
Yeah. What about how much time W gets?
Like, W gets, a good few seconds in the spotlight. Like, stop hogging the song, W. Like, how about you give some of that to elemental B? Give it to us. Like, come on. Alright, so, what is all this? There's a line here.
It is the line for people to get
Tested for COVID.
Uh-huh.
And it goes all the way down the street here.
Yep.
All these guys. To go in, I'm guessing this building here. I don't know, there's like a doctor's office or something there.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's the end of that line. But then you got another line here of people. Alright, so here's the back of the line for these guys. And there's another test in place for all these guys. And the line goes into this parking lot right there to get tested over that blue little trailer thingy there. So, yeah, a lot of people are getting sick. A lot of people need to get tested.
Yeah. And they are full all day long.
Yeah. And they're supposedly like 3-hour waits.
Yeah, some of them have been really, really
long.
Yeah.
But when we're reporting like nearly 10,000 cases per day here in Utah, it's like spreading. Alright, we're just hanging out at Wendy's in the drive-thru. What are we gonna get, Carol?
It depends on what they have.
What they have.
Yeah. They've been out of a lot of stuff.
They've been out of a lot of stuff lately.
But chicken.
Chicken. London, do you know what you want for Wendy's?
Nuggets. That's just a toy. Yeah, I need to get a number 6 combo, large size with a Sprite.
We're currently out of Sprite.
Okay, what do you have?
We've got Coke, Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper, Spark Root Beer, Minute Maid, our Dave's
I'll just do a lemonade.
Dave's Naturals Lemonade.
Okay, we'll just do lemonade.
Anything else after the taco for us?
Nope, that's all.
So we actually enjoy coming to Wendy's here. We come here a lot because they're nice here, and we always enjoy eating here.
Yes.
McDonald's nice.
Oh, McDonald's is nice too, huh? You like McDonald's? Yeah. They're still missing the E.
Hi.
There's no E. But you Yeah, McDonald's is nice. In fact, they're just right over there. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I'm out in the outdoor cafeteria area. It is like so filthy. Like, look at all this garbage and stuff. It's crazy. There's like garbage. Look at this table and stuff. But yeah, no one's out here right now. I don't think you're allowed to, but I'm gonna go back inside and pull the fire alarm, so I do not have to do the test, because my next period is my test period. So, and I've already finished eating. So, yeah, let's get to it. I just put the fire alarm. Oh shoot! There we go. This is not good. Oh no! Oh shit! Stop this! Oh no! I can't see shit now! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hurry up, I need to pee.
I want you to go before we leave.
Oh, I was okay back then. Oh, we got a delivery. Oh, there he is up there. What did you order this time?
I don't know. It's probably Leland.
I've got some packages. Whoa. Okay, got a couple of them.
Whoa.
Nothing is safe. Not do not.
Hope that wasn't fragile. There we go.
Oh shit. Oh shoot.
Alright guys, I'm showing off the rest of the Christmas cards for the last time. Got some late ones here, like from Aiden, and got one from Josh, and Vanessa artwork. So a lot of these came from Europe, guys. That's why they came a little late, but I'm going to be taking these down later today. So I'm showing these off one last time, guys. So again, thank you for all the Christmas cards.
Okay.
We appreciate it. So
He's gonna take them down. I was saying okay because he's gonna take them down. He's just showing them off one last time. He was just showing everybody one last time, not showing them off, but showing them to everybody one last time before he takes them down. I was just... Sorry, I had to clear my throat. It was clogged up there. My throat got clogged up there. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
it's been a lot of fun, and we actually got like
Excuse me, I burped again. Sorry. Let's get back to the video.
300, about the same amount as last year. So
Whoa.
yeah, got a lot of Christmas cards. So don't be sending us any more Christmas cards, guys, because I'm taking all this down later today. But I'm just showing this off one last time. So give a thumbs up if you like your card, guys. If you've seen your Christmas card.
What the heck?
Okay, he did say he was showing them off. My apologies, everybody. I wasn't sure if he actually did. I lost my train of thought there for a moment. Sorry about that, everybody. My bad. Let's get back to the video.
Why is there a pacifier? Do high schoolers have pacifiers? Okay, guys. I'm having a speed walk right now. I'm so tired. I've been running for ages. I ran around the track, then I ran around the school, and now I'm just trying to leave again. Oh, why did I do this? These are cool pants. Oh, shoot.
I know I can do it.
No, you need to go to school. Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, I know I can do it.
No, it's bad enough your older siblings don't have to go to school. Now, come on. Let's get in the car.
No,
Let's go.
I know I can do
Go
it.
to school. Now, come on.
I know I can do it.
Yes, you do want to go to school now. Come on.
No, I'm not.
His older siblings are a bad influence on you.
I know what to do.
No, I can't deal with this with you. Like,
I know what to do. I know what to do.
London, we are going to school. Hold on tight. I'm driving you to school now. You are going to school.
I have the phone.
Wait, where's the phone?
I have it.
Hey, no, give me back my phone! London.
I know.
Oh, there's your school right there. Alright. You ready to go?
Yeah, what's my friend?
Your friend? You got your backpack? Your zipper's open. It's okay. It's fine. It's not a big deal.
Help me.
Here. Are you ready?
I don't do.
Now, you want to go to school?
No.
Oh, come on. You got to go to school. You need to go to school? Yes, don't be like your siblings. Oh, my gosh. Guys. It's now London doesn't want to go to school. Like, what is going on? I just dropped her off, and now she's giving me attitude. She's getting it from her older siblings. I can't deal with all three kids now refusing to go to school as they're kicking and screaming every day now. I can't deal with this. Anyway, I'm back home, and I'm gonna go chill in my massage chair.
I need a minute. I'm sorry, everybody. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, everybody. I'm back now. Let's get back to the video.
Can't believe I have to do this. I have to go find Lee. I wonder if he's in the office. Lee? I don't know where he is. God, I can't believe Leland got a call from the school. Hold on. Oh. There he is. Lee!
What?
Lee!
What? What are you doing? I'm trying to get
Hey, I need you to get out of your darn stupid chair.
Why? I'm in the middle of the song.
Yeah, but we have stuff we have to deal with. I got a call from the school about Leland.
What?
Leland pulled a fire alarm at school.
Dang it! Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding. You gotta get up. This is no time for massage.
No!
No time for massage.
Oh, yeah, wait there.
No, come on, get up.
Dang it!
This is no time for that. We have to get up.
Seriously?
Leland's pulled the fire alarm at school and
Yeah! God! Oh. Seriously? You're joking, right?
I'm not joking.
Oh, come on! I want my massage! Good!
Guess we're gonna have spaghetti. Okay, come on. You gotta go get Leland. Hurry up.
What do you mean?
Okay, the bus is dropping him off. You gotta pick him up and bring him home because he's gonna need to get grounded, a spanking, I don't know, a whooping, something.
Alright guys, so I am pissed as because apparently, according to Carol, Leland...
Sorry, I was trying to fix my neck. Sorry, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
pulled the fire alarm at a school. Carol's so mad she's cooking spaghetti right now. She usually cooks spaghetti, but she's upset. So I'm gonna go pick up Leland at the bottom of the hill right now.
A lot of spaghetti.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go pick up Leland right now at the bottom of the hill to begin off his bus. Right now, there he is. He's already down there. Walking a little late. So, yeah. Not happy with him. Like, this crap has got to stop. So, yeah, the school called us earlier, informed us what happened. So he's suspended now for a few days. And, you know, I'm just so sick and tired of this! There he is, right there. Grin on his face.
He has a grin on his face. Yeah, he
Grin
does.
on your face. Get in the car right now. I was gonna say ban.
He does have a grin on his face. I was like, I was saying, he has a grin on his face. I was like, yeah, he does. Sorry about that, everybody. I had to pause the video to let you guys know what I was saying. My apologies. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's get back to the video.
You're getting in the van. Get in the car.
Why?
We're gonna have a talk. I was gonna try to pick you up at the bottom of the hill because I'm mad at you. We're gonna have a conversation here. Put on your seatbelt.
No.
It's beeping at me. Put on your seatbelt. Alright, Leland. Your school called us. And you pulled the fire alarm?
Yeah.
You are grounded.
Okay.
Taking you back home. But your mom's gonna beat you.
Oh gosh. That was for dinner.
Yes, spaghetti, because your mom's upset.
Yay.
Don't ever pull the fire alarm unless it's a natural emergency.
Why not?
And that goes to any of you guys watching this. Put down the phone. I'm not in the mood to vlog. You are grounded. This whole time, okay, for the next few days, however long you're suspended for, there's no video games, there's nothing, there's no tablets, there's no phone, there's just nothing. Well, you're not having it.
Oh.
You're not having any of it. You're just gonna do school assignments on your computer, and that is it. I mean it. You don't ever pull the fire alarm. Why are you laughing at me? I mean it. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. You know, for the next few days, you're gonna do schoolwork online, and that is it. There's nothing. No PlayStation, no Xbox, nothing. So sick of this, Leela. Shut up, car. I got plenty of
Sorry, I was trying to crack my neck again. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
space between me and the side-by-side. Now give me back my phone. All this to get out of a test.
Yeah.
You're just gonna have to take it eventually.
Alright, goodbye. I'll drive the side by side now.
You're not driving the side-by-side. You go talk to your mother. And close the door. Alright. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I'm just really upset right now. There he goes. You better go inside. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do anymore. It's just getting worse. You know, it goes from being a kid temper tantrum to a teen temper tantrum.
Coach Dad, on YouTube!
Sorry, I had to crack my neck again, or at least try to, sorry. And a while ago when I was laughing, I wasn't laughing to be mean, I laughed because I found it funny. Because he just said okay like a normal okay. That's what it sounded like to me, at least. I wasn't laughing to be mean, I apologize, I'm sorry. My apologies, I'm sorry. Let's get back to the video.
Open you stupid door. Go talk to your mom. She's there cooking spaghetti. And you know we have spaghetti whenever she gets upset. Like, how many days is he home? Oh, stop crying. I just need to know how many days he's suspended.
Onions, okay?
How many days is he suspended?
Literally cooking onions. I have the right to cry.
Okay, well, how many days is he suspended?
I don't know.
Did they
Like
tell you?
4.
4 days? Oh, my God. Leanna? You didn't even jump.
Wait, look, Rihanna. Ratatouille.
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 There's a
Yeah,
dead rat out there. Oh, you got the drinks?
Yes, please.
You don't need 3 drinks. Are those all for you? Alright. So we're having spaghetti because Mom got upset at Leland for pouring the fire alarm.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
Still the same.
Alright, everyone's got their spaghetti? You doing any better, Carol?
No,
So what are we gonna do?
you're gonna watch them every day.
What? No, come on. You gotta watch the kid.
No.
For 4 days?
Yeah,
Ooh.
I'm gonna have spaghetti every night this week.
probably.
Alright guys, I'm annoyed. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Remember our videos are skits. And check out whatever video pops up here. You guys know the routine. And anything else?
Look at how much she got.
That was a awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. Excuse me. Sorry I burped. I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm sorry. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or Oshitaka Mushrooms channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members. Sorry about that, I almost said the wrong thing. Sorry about that, everybody. My bad. Sorry about that. My bad. Please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. Please, everybody, please. Please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.